Namaskar. Since ancient times, yogis have always given much importance to the space between these two eyebrows. This is the space where some of the yogis believe that our soul resides. And this pineal gland is a pea-sized organ which is situated between two hemispheres of our brain. This spot is also referred as one of the chakras, that is called as Agna chakra, which is represented by two petals, and these two petals automatically symbolizes the two hemisphere of our brain. This is a source of our mystical dimension of our life. There are many mystical sides of this gland, and that's why it becomes very interesting to know more about this. Do you know that apart from our eye cells, even pineal gland cells are light sensitive? Hence, it is known to regulate our biological clock since it can sense light and darkness. At night, when you close your eyes, then everything is dark, and in that state, pineal gland releases melatonin, which is a hormone, and this hormone regulates our biological clock. Sage Vyas says that there is an invisible hole in this region which is luminous, spreads light, and it spreads coronal lights. So it is believed that this gland connects a person to the higher world. Hence, some practitioners of yoga say that while meditating over here at this region, they can see bright light and they just enjoy being in that state. So, pineal gland for sure is no ordinary organ. It has a greater role to play in our metaphysical and our spiritual dimension. Meditation can activate this organ to its full potential. Here are some techniques which you can do to keep your pineal gland reach to its full potential and give you all the benefits. Number 1, keeping awareness on your forehead. Our body works like this. Wherever your attention goes, that part starts functioning better. So, bring your awareness to your forehead region. But yoga talks about a very simple technique which you should practice. Sit in a meditative pose, close your eyes, and now with closed eyes, roll your eyes towards this place. Stay in that position. Internally, you are looking at this place. In the beginning, some people may feel little headache, but by practice, you will not feel that. You will feel very comfortable rolling your eyes at this place. Stay in this position for some time, and that would be very good. Second point, light management. In nature, as the sun sets, the bright light goes away, things go darker, and that's the time pineal gland would slowly start becoming active. But now what do? The moment sun sets, our lights are much more brighter, and we remain in that bright light for a long time. Rather, at night we are more active. Actually, nature helps us. Day is meant for work, night is meant for rest, but we don't follow these natural paths, and we create problems to see that our body doesn't function well. Now what do? The moment sun sets, we have our own lights, and the room becomes absolutely bright. Our life becomes with bright lights. We start using mobile, television, and that blue light of mobile keeps us still more bright and active. So what you should do? See to it that you sleep little early. See to it that you dim your lights at least 1 hour before you go to bed, and that would help you to give you a good sleep. This pineal gland would help you to sleep really well. So don't use your mobile phones and computers at least 1 hour before you go to bed. Third, eye exercise. As pineal gland is closely associated with your eyes and head, it is always better to keep your eyes healthy. Do these following Tratak exercises. One is, look at your palm, which is closer distance, and see some object which is very far from you. Looking over here, looking over there. Go on doing this 30 to 50 times of good eye exercise. Second exercise, Rotate your eyes from right to left, left to right, rolling your eyes. Third, take your eyes on the shoulder. So, right shoulder, left shoulder. Fourth, look at the tip of your nose. Fifth, look at the center of your eyebrows. So all these rolling of eyes at different places would help strengthening the muscles which are holding your eyeballs. Do these eye exercises. These exercises will keep your eyes in a healthy state, and hence it would help keeping pineal gland also active and healthy. In our life, we are busy throughout using our eyes. It's very, very actively used. We use so much of energy through our eyes. But there is a third eye which is observing what your eyes are looking at and what your mind is thinking about. Namaskar.